got down on my knees, grabbed my pen and bowed my head. Tried to summon all that my heart finds true, and send it in my letter to you. Things I found out through hard times and good, I wrote them all out in ink and blood. Dug deep in my soul and signed my name true, and sent it in my letter to you. In my letter to you, I took all my fears and doubts. In my letter to you, all the hard things I found out. In my letter to you, all that I found true, and I sent it in my letter to you. I took all the sunshine and rain, all my happiness and all my pain, the dark evening stars and the morning sky of blue, and I sent it in my letter to you, and I sent it in my letter to you.